Nowadays, having a website for your business is essential, but having one that converts into customers, that's the magic business owners like you want to happen. With Easy Websites, you can now have a complete custom website for your business, built by an award-winning team. All websites from Easy Websites are built with a simple goal: generating leads and increasing revenue for your business. With our beautifully crafted, responsive sites, your visitors will be able to visit your website with ease from any device. Our search engine-friendly site structure will help your website rank faster and be found in search engines like Google. But best of all, you can use Easy Websites' effortless drag-and-drop website builder to customize your new site with ease. Make changes, add promos, and so much more. Finally, all you need is a domain name and we'll handle the rest. Your dream website is now a click away. Get started today.